A very good morning, folks. Now, today, the star which has been bothering me for the past 2 weeks now, almost, has finally decided to probably explode. So, today, I would be forced to copy you, Casey. I'm very sorry. I don't like copying anybody, but that's the way it's going to be today. So, for today, it's going to be like this. Till the time this goes off. As you can see, for me today, my job is cut out. It has already been decided what I'm going to do. And there is no escaping this fact anymore now. I have to get it done.
Wow, honestly, the mess is so huge. Just a moment. Yeah. The mess is so big, I really do not know where to begin. It's a horror story. I don't know whether to begin there, here, there. I have no clue. So I decided to begin at the right place, and that is the gym. And now that out of the way, it's exactly 10:01. Let's get to work. For winter. Goes for irony. This is one of my favorite shows. A lot of style. Winter stuff goes in here. I hope the camera doesn't fall. Where's the stuff that I had to put in? It's right here. I hope that's the last of the winter stuff, and I hope I don't have to use it anymore this year. My chair's nearly cleared up, and this is what I found there. It's a belt which is of extreme sentimental value because it was given to me by the father of my mother-in-law. He just expired recently, and before he died, I met him. I was very glad that I met him, knew him really well. I was very fond of him, and he gave this as a gift to me a few months before he expired. So it's of extreme sentimental value. This chair is now empty. Yes, this used to be a chair, and now I can sit on it. My next area of attack would be there and there. Let's get to it. There's a lot of GoPro stuff. That's because I go diving every year. Hopefully I'll go this year as well. I'll do vlogging from 30 meters underwater. There you are, GoPro suction cup. I got 3. Oof, just a moment. Here you are. Here I got 3 pairs of very good shoes that I keep here for my formal dinners when I go out with clients. Oh yeah. My Takstar box. By the way, this is being recorded on a Takstar SGC 590i. Did you see my Takstar unboxing video? Did I upload it? And let me tell you, this is really value for money. It's plastic built, but it's really value for money. There is a lot of ambient noise right now. You know, I'll just give an example. Oh, there. Can you hear the noises? But this Takstar manages to capture my voice more or less satisfactorily. At least currently I'm satisfied. Maybe in future I would be less satisfied when there will be something better available, but right now this serves all my purposes. Can you hear that noise? You probably can, I'm not sure, but it's very disturbing. He's living here during the daytime. Okay, I've had my lunch and now I think I gotta stop because it is 13:54 and I have to finish my edit of the battery incident. Still, I'm not aware of it. I have to finish that edit, and after that I still have time. I'll start cleaning up the place where I have my wonderful Scotch whiskies. Currently, I'm loading FCB. Before I start work, I just check my mails and a few urgent mails need to be taken care of. Yeah, finally it has popped. And folks, if you're aware of Buñuel, it might remind you, though I'm not cutting my eye open into two like he does it in, I think, L'Âge d'Or. I'm just cleaning up my sty. Okay, now I'm done with my edit, and while it's uploading, I'll go back to cleaning up of my room. This is a wonderful rum that I haven't even tasted yet. It was given to me by some of my clients. They gifted it to me. My in-laws gave this to me. Stolichnaya vodka. That's me. That's my son. This is from 18 years ago. Now that looks a lot better. So here I am, mission almost accomplished. Just a few things left, but one major thing still remains that I'm not going to do today. I'll do it some other day, and that is now cleaning up my table is going to be a big task as well, but I'm going to do it. I promise. Rome is almost done.